In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shoes sales promo for your product right in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. First, let's drag and drop the music I've selected onto the timeline, but feel free to import and use any music you like. Now, head over to the Titles tab and search Superhero. I'll use the first title and drag it onto the first track. Now, let's double-click on it and you'll see the text setting being extended. But this time, we're going to the Advanced option to make some changes in the text. Feel free to change the color, font size, and anything else you need for the text. Once we finished adjusting the text, let's go to the Elements tab and search for Background. I'll use this background and drag it onto the first track. Then let's search for Small Business under the Titles tab. I'll use this title and drag it onto the second track. Now double-click on the track and feel free to adjust it on the Transform control on the preview window. Now head over to the Media tab again and drag the image of the shoe I've prepared onto the third track. Double-click on it to adjust the position on the Transform controls in the preview window. Also, add an animation to the graphic to make it look cool. So, double-click on the graphic again to extend the animation settings and add the boom animation under the preset motions. Then let's continue adding some details to the graphic. Head over to the Image option and add a drop shadow for the shoe. Also, adjust the color of the drop shadow accordingly. Let's go to the Elements tab again and search Black Friday to add an eye-catching discount message and drag it onto the fourth track. Now, double-click on it and adjust the position by adjusting the Transform controls in the preview window. I'll trim the title here and keep the front part. Press Delete if you want to remove unwanted text boxes. As the Black Friday element is not long enough, we can add a freeze frame and adjust the length of it to fit the end of the other track. Then head over to the Titles tab, search for Ink Title, and drag it onto the fifth track. Now double-click on it, and you'll see the text setting being extended to edit it. Change the text accordingly and arrange it to your desired position on the screen. Let's add the final details, so head over to the Transitions tabs and add dissolves to the endings of the tracks. And there you have it. Create one today for your product if you're promoting your products online. If you'd like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips. Do you want to learn more about video editing? Click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.